Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. Today, the southwest monsoon has withdrawn from some more parts of Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, remaining parts of Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, and some parts of Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and Bihar. The withdrawal line of southwest monsoon now passes through Motihari, Gaya, Daltonganj, Ambikapur, Mandla, Indore, Gandhinagar, Rajkot, and Porbandar, and conditions are becoming favorable for further withdrawal of southwest monsoon from some more parts of Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, most parts of Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, and Bihar, and some parts of Maharashtra, Odisha, and West Bengal during next 2 to 3 days. And a low pressure area is very likely to form over North Andaman Sea neighborhood during next 48 hours. It is likely to become more marked and move west northwestwards towards the South Odisha and North Coastal Andhra Pradesh during subsequent 4 to 5 days. And yesterday, the extremely heavy rainfall was reported at one or two places over Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Very heavy rainfall was reported over the Kerala, Telangana, and heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over Gujarat region, Rayalaseema, Marathwada, Tamil Nadu, and Gangetic, West Bengal. And here are some significant rainfall amount are given, like Andaman and Nicobar reported the highest 28 centimeter of rainfall over the Long Island. Port Blair reported the 10 centimeter rainfall. In Kerala, the highest rainfall of 12 centimeter was reported. In Tamil Nadu, the highest rainfall was 10 centimeter. In Gangetic, West Bengal, the highest rainfall was 8 centimeter. In Gujarat region, highest rainfall was 7 centimeter in Tapi. In Marathwada, the highest rainfall was 9 centimeter, and in Telangana, the highest rainfall was 15 centimeter observed over the Rangareddy, and 11 centimeter was reported over the Nirmal. And today we have a cyclonic circulation which extends up to the mid-tropospheric level over the North Andaman Sea neighborhood area, and this cyclonic circulation very likely to because of this cyclonic circulation, a low pressure area is very likely to form over the same region during next 48 hours, because of which there is a intense convection over the parts of uh, west central Bay of Bengal and parts of the south Bay of Bengal, and there is another cyclonic circulation over the east central Arabian Sea, because of which there is a intense to moderate convection over that area, and there is also moderate to intense convection over parts of even many parts of the South Peninsular India and some parts of the Maharashtra, and there is a north-south trough is there, and there is a cyclonic circulation lies over the central Pakistan in the lower tropospheric levels. And if you see the weather forecasting with the warning for the next 5 days, so if you look into the South Peninsular India, so because in the South Peninsular India there will be the heavy rainfall over the Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and South Interior Karnataka during next 5 days, and even there can be the very heavy rainfall over the Kerala on 12th and 13th of October, and there will be the heavy rainfall over the coastal Karnataka during the 11th to 13th of October, and heavy rainfall over the north interior Karnataka on 10th, 12th, and 13th of October onwards. And there is also possibility of heavy rainfall at one or two places over the coastal Andhra Pradesh in Telangana during next 24 hours. And as far as the West India is concerned, there is a heavy rainfall over the Konkan and Goa during the 11th to 13th of October, and heavy rainfall over Madhya Maharashtra during next 3 days, that is 9th, 10th, and 11th of October, and heavy rainfall over South Gujarat region during next 24 hours. And as far as the East India, Central India, and Northwest India, and Northeast India even concerned, there will not be any significant weather over remaining parts of the country, and even there will be the dry weather over most parts of the Northwest India, except isolated light to moderate rainfall over the Jammu and Kashmir on 11th, 12th, and isolated rainfall over the Punjab and North Haryana uh, on the 11th of October. And there will be the isolated to scattered rainfall at one or two places will continue over the northeast India and some parts of the central and adjoining East India, though there is not any significant weather over the entire northwest India, entire central India, entire East India, as well as the entire northeast India. And as far as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are concerned, there will be the isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall will continue for the upcoming 5 days, and there also will be the thunderstorm, lightning, and squall, wind speed reaching roughly along 45 to 55 kmph also will continue over the Andaman and Nicobar Islands during next 5 days. You can download the Mausamet, Damini and Metudev, and you can also visit our IMD website. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information in your area. Thank you.